You use private browsing for privacy, right?
What if I told you it doesn't do what you think?
Most people think incognito or private mode makes you anonymous online, hides your activity from your internet provider or school, or even protects you from hackers. Here's the reality. It only does one thing. It locally deletes your history and cookies from your own device after you close the window. That's it. Your school, employer, internet provider, and the websites themselves can all still see exactly what you're doing. So, for actual privacy, here are two simple things you can do right now. First, use a reputable VPN. This encrypts your traffic so your internet provider or public Wi-Fi can't see what sites you visit. Second, try a privacy-focused browser like Brave or Firefox. Set them to strict tracking protection to block ads and trackers from following you around the web. Got it? Incognito is for hiding your activity from other people using this device, not from the internet. What other tech myths should I bust next? Let me know in the comments.